Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about the assert keyword in Python. So let's get started. So let's understand what is assert keyword all about. So basically, the assert keyword is used as an exception handling trick in Python. Generally, exception handling could be a vast issue, but Python provides many features and keywords that can help us with this. So let's understand a simple program. I've created a program that takes in a variable of age and it simply prompts the user saying welcome user. So if I run this program, all it's simply doing is welcoming the user. So now let me add one more small thing in it and just say your age is, and now let me add the age variable, and I'm doing this adding a f string. So basically f string in that, and I'm adding the age variable using the f string method. And now if I run this, it simply says welcome user, your age is -10. Don't you feel something is weird in this code? Yes, you can read it right. Age cannot be negative. So let's say we create a program and we are trying to input a negative age. Like let's say in this case the age is positive, which works fine. But if you try to input a negative age like -10 or -1 or something like this, which absolutely absurd, the program does not know that this is an absurd keyword, but yet it runs the code. So now we will make use of the assert keyword to see how this exactly works. So now before that I am going to write the assert keyword, and age will always be greater than age will always be greater than 0. So what I'm going to say is assert age greater than 0, which means check that this condition fulfills and then print welcome user. So now if I run this, as you can see, it simply raises an assertion error, and it's not telling us the error currently because we haven't provided that. But yes, the code is working in a small sense. So basically it's checking if the age is greater than 0, then it is printing, else it is throwing an assertion error. So now let's polish this error, and to do that all you need to do is you can specify what the error exactly means. So I will now say create a string after placing a comma on the assert line, and I'll say age input cannot be negative. So now we can at least explain the user what is the error they are actually happening while they are giving input. So now we get an assertion error saying that age input cannot be negative, which works pretty well. So now if I try to change this input of age to a positive value, let's say 12, and if I run the program works successfully and it simply says welcome user, your age is 12. So now let's combine this assert keyword with the try and except block. So for that all I need to do is use the try statement and dump all this code inside the try block, and now I'll create the assert keyword, except keyword except, and now I'm going to say except assertion error. So what will happen is, let me show you what exactly happens. So I'm trying to say that assert age greater than 0, and if I create an exception of assertion error, then I shall print this response. So let me copy it from here and remove the comma, and now simply create a print statement, and within that I will paste my error. So basically when we go in the try clause, and if this assertion condition does not succeed, it directly goes into the except assertion error block and it will print this statement on the output window. So now let me just print this, and as you can see it works perfectly. The program runs and it says welcome user, your age is 12. But now if I try to give a negative value of let's say -12, it throws an error, and basically it's just printing the statement saying that age input cannot be negative. So that way we can implement the assert keyword in try and except block. So I hope you understood the simple application and basic functioning behind the assert keyword. If you have any doubts, don't forget to drop them down in the comment section, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.